what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Pate's Performance. I'm going to try and take you on a lawnmower sale. Good morning, how are you? I'm Jason.
Douglas.
Nice to meet you. Yep.
I'm looking for a house, I say, because the picture show a house, not a place like this, you know.
Oh, okay.
You had it at the house, that's why?
What was that?
You had it at the house, that's why?
Yeah. But then today I work, so I took it to work with me.
So this work, this
Yeah.
work to unlock
Yep.
it?
Yeah, so you hit the button. You got a prime?
This time?
Okay, yep. Hold it down. Hold that. Yep.
Working good?
Yep. Just had it serviced. Oil change. See, oil. New air filter. Can you hear the blue? You see the blue? Can you see the blue? And then let's turn it on its side. New blade adapter, and the blade's been sharpened.
They sharpen, you see?
Yeah, well, you only sharpen it from the top. You see?
What this, regular gas in it?
Yeah, regular gas. And then there's like a cartridge you could put in here.
Like what?
So there's like a cartridge you could put in here, like to improve the gas. But I never used it. You could just buy a new one, and you stick it in here like that, and that's it.
What is that for?
When you put it in over the winter, to store for the winter, you could put a cartridge in there. You don't have to, but this lawnmower has the luxury of that.
Like I say, I never had one of this. I just,
Yeah.
I used to work a long time ago for,
Yeah, landscaper.
yeah, and then,
Okay.
this is like, now I rent, I don't have a house, I rent it, and then the loan say I got to take care of the
Okay.
loan, so
Okay.
I'm about to go in the store to buy a new one, and I say, somebody told me, look at
Yeah.
Dennis, you can find,
Mhm.
like, better price like that, and I say, you don't need it brand new, you do once,
Yeah.
so I live right here in Brentwood, so that's why
Yeah.
this is the one showing me closer to you.
Yeah. Oh, it worked out.
Yeah, so regular gas, you say, and for how long I need to be change this thing?
You check the oil periodically, and you change it every year or every 25 hours.
Looks good. Looks like gonna work.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
This is a shop mechanic thing over here for the car.
Yeah, big truck, big
Yeah.
trucks.
All right. So how much do you ask?
130.
130? I didn't know, so. That's the less you take.
Yeah, that's the least I could take, yeah.
Yeah?
Because I just had it tuned up. People are selling, I can't do less than 130. Yeah, these pivot here. You see? You see? They pivot.
You're working here. Alright, so. It's looking in good condition. Look great, but
Yeah, take care of it.
you should know about this better than me, I think.
I really don't. I had somebody else do it.
Yeah?
Yep.
Just to do,
Yeah, I just work on. I know my limits.
yeah. I guess
Mm-hmm.
it's like almost full. The outside.
Yeah, it's almost full. See, you even get a full tank of gas.
Alright, thank you. Take it straight over here.
Yeah, it'll fit.
You don't have like a piece of cargo in there?
No, I didn't see anything. Do you want it to go smaller than this? Or no?
No.
Okay. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Oh, perfect. Like it was meant to be.
Just made.
And then maybe
I just
put this here. So it doesn't roll.
oh, this is
Yeah. Yeah. There we go. So it doesn't roll and hit the glass. See? Perfecto. Huh?
How long you been having this machine? You buy a new one?
Yeah.
Buy a new?
Yep.
How long you have it?
About 3 years, 4 years.
130 right there.
20, 40, 60, 100, 20, 30. Thank you very much.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Congratulations.
You know, you are a mechanic, right? You just working for this company.
Yeah, that's it. Mm-hmm.
You know something weird that I have in this car right now? When I drive it, they make a no noise and like it's really weird. You know, like when you hit, the side of the road.
Oh, okay. You probably something with your suspension. Shock, struts, could be axle, could be a bearing. You have to take them up. Yeah.
It's very weird that when they push, they get that's made like they don't want to go and then they go.
Yeah.
I don't know. It feel like it's kind of like transmission. I don't know.
I don't know. You'd have to hear and see. It could be transmission, could be axle, it could be bearings. Because you were saying when you hit something, it makes a noise.
No, it's not when they hit.
Oh, when you hit something? Oh, okay. So it could be transmission, could be axle, could be bearings. You won't know.
The other day I take it to the mechanic. It's like almost no oil in the transmission. So I don't know. Maybe that one's like something.
Ooh.
So they put it like a big thing like this.
Yeah.
And now it works. Now it's a little less, but still doing that thing.
Probably damaged transmission is, infermo now. Because you run low, and now. But where was the transmission fluid? You have to find out where the leak was.
Yeah, they only check, and I say check the was not the equation,
But transmission, it's supposed to be sealed, so you have to find out where you're losing fluid. Yeah. Yeah.
So they gotta take a nice look.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right, man. Take care. Good luck to you. I don't know if you guys could see me, but I guess that took a little bit longer than expected. Plus the other nonsense at the end. But the most important part is part of the Jackpack lot has been sold. All we technically have left to sell is the Craftsman self-propelled mulching lawnmower. Remember the Snow Commander? I don't have any interest or desire to try and sell it in the summer. Because like I said, we had a lack of winter. So that I'm just going to fix and throw into storage. But no matter what, that Jackpack lot has been paid for already, and this is money in the bank. I will see you guys on the next episode of Pate's Performance.